Okay. How long have you been on the program, sir?
I've been on the program for 8 months.
8 months. And how do you feel in regard to the program? You were kind of skeptical.
When I first started, I was skeptical to see. I didn't believe it was going to work. It gave me a lot more energy. I lost almost 90 pounds. I feel like I got my life back. More energetic. I more happy. I'm happier. Better way of life. You also have to put the work in too. You also have to watch what you eat and exercise and all. But I'm a true believer. Without the program, I would have never lost the weight and feel this way.
Thank you very much.